I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Well, in case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. In this video, we have a test question, matching equation and the graph. The graph of a function is given, it's a linear function. So a line which passes through 2 points, point A is -2, -1, and we are also given point B, whose value you can read from the graph. After that, write down the equation of the line and match it with the options given to us. There are 6 options. More than one can be correct. I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. So let's first try to find the equation of the line itself. Point B, which we can read from the graph, is -3 and the y value is 2. And therefore, we can write slope m as equal to change in y value divided by change in x value, which will be 2 minus -1 divided by -3 minus -2. And that gives us 2 plus 1 over -3 plus 2. So the slope for the given line is 2 plus 1 is 3. -3 plus 2 is -1, or we can write this as -3. Now this line passes through point -2, -1. We can find the equation in the form y equals to mx plus b, which is slope is -3, x plus b. To find the value of b, it's a good idea to put the point and find the value of b. Substituting -2 for x and -1 for y, we get -1 equals to -3 times -2 plus b. So from here, we can get -1, and that is 6, right? Bringing this side, -6 equals to b, which is -7. So that gives us the equation as y equals to -3x minus 7. So we have y equals to -3x minus 7 as option C. So that is for sure the correct equation. Now we could also get some other correct equations also. Let us see how. So let me take you to the next page and we'll try to find other solutions by using different forms of lines of equation. So we know that the slope of this is -3, right? So let me rewrite here. What we know is that the slope m is equal to -3, and we have already found that C is the correct option. So we know y equals to -3x minus 7. Perfect. Now we have to see, can we get any other correct equation? Well, if I rearrange this, bringing all the components on the left hand side, I get what? I get 3x plus y plus 7 equals to 0. The last one is -7, so that is not correct, right? Okay. Now let's see the other options. If we open those and simplify, we could get the equation. Now the other form of the line equation is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. We could use this form. So using the point A, we get y minus of minus 1 will give us plus 1 equals to minus 3 times x minus minus 2 will give us plus 2. So that is another correct equation for us, which you can always rearrange and write as minus 3 x plus 2 minus 1. And so we do get one of these equations, which is B, as the correct equation. Do you see that? So we see that B and C for sure are the correct equations. Slope being minus 3, right? And we are given this point. Now we are also given the point minus 3, 2. Using the point minus 3, 2, let us substitute minus 3 here in D, right? Let's substitute minus 3 in D. So we get what? We get 0, and 2 minus 2 is 0, so D will also be the correct option. You get the idea, right? So this point B, which is minus 3, 2, will give D as the correct option, right? So we get that also as the correct option. So we have three different equations which are correct in this particular case. So I hope you understand the concept, right? Now for your practice, here is another question for you. Now in this case, we are given a line which is having a y-intercept of 1 and q is 2, 5. I'd like you to figure out which are the correct equations relating to the given graph. This is a very important test question for GCSE students. So I hope you learned a lot from here. So we have the equation lines of the form y equals to mx plus b, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, or the standard form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So try to relate these equations and get all the options which are correct for the given graph. I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comments, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. In case you want to learn from me, send an email on the address given. Thanks for your time and all the best.